Welcome to Sonatype Repository Firewall. See how it helps you keep malicious code out before it reaches your repos, your builds, or your developers. Ready to take a look? Let's dive in. Repository Firewall blocks malicious code and AI models before they enter your repository manager, at the edge by integrating with Zscaler, and lets you plug protection into any workflow with a powerful API. Wherever code comes from, Repository Firewall steps in first. This is the Repository Firewall dashboard. Here you can find a summary of all Repository Firewall operations from the home screen. You can see how many of your proxy repositories are protected, view high-level metrics about component security outcomes across all of your repositories that you're protecting, and view and manage quarantine components across firewall-enabled repositories. You can use filters and pagination to explore results. The list is sorted by quarantine time, threat level, and component by default, and can be resorted by clicking column headers like quarantine time, policy, component, or repository. With quarantine components, you can view and manage them across your firewall-enabled repositories. You can select components to access the quarantine component view, and the quarantine component view provides information about the component, including its policy violation and remediation strategies. You can use the Version Explorer to see the newest component version and alternate versions of the quarantine component. Once selected, you can get a side-by-side comparison of these components. You can see detailed information on quarantine components. Next, let's look at the policy violations. Here you can view detailed information about policy violations for quarantine components and expand each violation for a detailed summary. You can see information like the violated policy type, threat level, and last reported date, along with a related CVE or issue, severity scores, vulnerability source, and recommended remediation steps. You can also create waivers directly from this view. Thanks for taking a look at Repository Firewall. You can book your demo Thanks for taking a look at Repository Firewall. For questions, a live demo, or more details, please chat with us.